Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, TheFluffyBeardedMan, and today is 5 and 5, and this week's 5 and 5 for episode 2 is we're going to be doing McChickens, and I don't put mayo on anything, so then replace the mayo on my McChickens is extra ketchup. Not just one pump, we got 2 pumps. Choice of beverage is Coke. As last challenge, which we did, I had a dry mouth and I still have a dry mouth, so we'll see if we can get this done. Dry ass chicken, see what we can do. All right, guys, you came to see episode 2. Next week is gonna be McRibs. Sent that farewell off because we probably won't see McRibs again for another decade, because according to them, it's a farewell tour. All right, you guys, I'm gonna wait for the minute mark. On your marks, get set, let's get fluffy. The camera hiccuped mid-challenge, but I stopped chewing and stuff and waited until I got back started. I definitely got it under 5 minutes. The time will be right over here. The chickens were delicious, especially with all the extra ketchup. Let me know down in the comments if you want to participate in some of the weekly episodes of either 3 Minute to Win It or 5 and 5 food challenges. Let me know down in the comments below. and I can get you in on something. This episode for 5 and 5 was McChicken. Next week we'll do McRib. This week's 3-minute to win it is going to be tater tots. Tater tots. Last week, 3-minute to win it was Burger King chicken nuggets. So check out that video right here. Subscribe over here. Check out last week's Burger King 3-minute to win it. Let me know in the comments below on what you think I got and what I did get for chicken nugget amount. Hope you all have a blessed day, because today's a good day to have a good day. God bless you all. Peace.